Okie dokie. Hello there, Internet and the rest of the world. You're looking at Walk Around Ralph again. We're in beautiful downtown Ewa Beach, Hawaii, where my son lives. We came down to spend Thanksgiving with him. Me, myself, and I. Anyway, we just thought I'd walk around this little place here. It's really nice. This whole neighborhood's nice. He's still out looking for places and stuff, but right now they're here. So just thought I'd put this is the X1 Pro Max. I just thought I'd take it out for a little walk this morning and see where we are. Beautiful little house, as you can see. I'll walk over here and go up to the front door. We got trees and other stuff. I'm not like some people. I'm not going to purposely walk into a branch and let it try to crash it. I like my drones to stay alive. Anyway, I've got some beautiful big drone video of some of the other beaches around here. Of course, I got my New Mexico Hawaiian shirt on today. But it's been a wonderful trip so far. Heading out tonight at 11:45, so got some time still to kill. So I got Bonnie out there doing my camera duties, and she's been doing a really nice job. Firmware updates have only had a couple of kinks with her. Didn't have too many. Doesn't seem like I had as many as everybody else, but she's working beautiful now. So come here, Bonnie. Let's take a walk out back. My son's house at Ewa Beach, Hawaii. I'll be going back home to a beautiful downtown New Mexico tonight, so I wore my New Mexico Hawaiian shirt. If you're in Hawaii, you're going to have vegetation. A lime tree, papaya trees, a little bit of everything. And over here, come here, kid. This is where I usually come out in the morning and have my morning coffee. As you can see, he's an avid Steelers fan. He's got Steelers stuff all over the inside of the house, but we won't show you that. I usually come out here and watch the sun as it comes up over the fence. Like I said, beautiful place, all kinds of vegetation. Got horses and carriages. And all kinds of little stuff. Let's see if, I think Bonnie can make that curve. Yeah, we did. See if she can make it through this little tree. Good job, Bonnie. Come here. And that's a $2.50 tour of the backyard. It's been a beautiful, like I said, a beautiful stay. Got all kinds of citrus trees and stuff. Bonnie here's been doing a good job for me. That's my Silver X1 Pro Max. I haven't had that many problems with all the updates and stuff. Few little glitches here and there, but they're getting them all worked out. Love what it's doing right now. It's following me like it should. Got the audio and everything recording. So we're doing good. Come here, girl. Good job. Out there doing the camera work today. She's going to give us a broader view of my son's house here in Ewa Beach. Having a really good time down here. Got my New Mexico Hawaiian shirt on. Been doing okay. Bonnie's doing a good job. That's my Pro Max. Come back here, kid. Come back to me.